Hi! This time, I'll explain some hidden text options. First off, I open Text Dialog. I choose Right Justified Alignment. The result appears on the preview. Now I adjust the font height. As you can see, the changes affect the whole text layer. If I need to modify just a portion, I go to Fragment tab, select the required part here, and choose an option. The new setting only applies to the selected words. I mark another fragment and apply No Break option. If I'm not sure about the current settings, I select the fragment of interest, click Read button, and look at the controls. I modify the selected fragment. Done. Note that this field doesn't let us modify the text content. For example, if I want to add a reference mark, I have to close the dialog, edit the text content, reopen the dialog, select the added character, and click Superscript button. To raise the selected character even higher, I use Baseline Shift slider. At last, I apply the changes. Finished.